Hello traders, this is Mario from Forex Other Way. Welcome to my second part of my training course of Advanced Forex Trading. In my previous video I told you about the right attitude when trading, but when you happen to have, let's say, 5 losing trades in a row, the chimp in your head starts getting panic attacks. And then at the 6th lost trade, your monkey in your head starts screaming furiously inside. Have you had that? I had so many times. As a result, your heart rate is approaching 200, 210. The alarm bell rings constantly and you can't fall asleep until morning, despite drinking 3 bottles of Chablis Grand Cru during dinner with your wife or partner. And you watch CNN headlines news for an hour and a half before sleeping, and after that you realize you don't remember a bloody word of what they were talking about there. Most often this happens when you buy at the tops or sell at the bottoms. Eventually, when you buy too early or sell too late, when the trend is nearly over. Did it happen to you? I think it did. It happened to every one of us, didn't it? In this video, I will tell you how at least to minimize the damage I told you before. So let's start the rock and roll. The first, most important thing, right after the proper mental attitude I told you in my last part, is your trading plan. No exceptions. It's a must and also makes part of the right trading attitude. Plan your trade, then trade your plan. So let me ask you a few questions. Have you got a trading plan? How many rules consist your trading plan of? Isn't it too complicated somehow? Have you got your trading plan rules written down? This matter is obvious to me. I don't know how it is with you. You must write on a piece of paper or in a notebook all the rules describing your trading plan. A trading plan is a business plan or a roadmap to your financial future as a trader. You cannot trade without it. Without a map, you will lose your way. Let's say driving a car without writing down the intersections where you have to turn left or right will get you to nowhere. Am I right or not? Well, especially if you got many intersections along the way. Trading is not a Google map. Google will not tell you where to get into the market and where to get out. You must write it down for yourself. To not forget is a must. Next question. Have you tested your trading plan or on mini or nano account for at least 4 to 6 months? Have you done it? Have you tried it or just written it down and that's it? Let's go. Boom. Let's pull the trigger. That's what your monkey says in your head. Just make a plan on a piece on paper. Let's do it everything quickly and then the money will flow from the sky right on our heads. It doesn't happen, my friend. It doesn't happen. The right trading plan must be tested vigorously. I'm telling you. There is no way. You must test your plan first for at least 4 months on nano account or on micro. Why? Why not on demo account? For simple reason, at least on micro, you will feel the money even if you lose $5 on one position or $10. It's just pocket money. You pay for your parking space $10, but you will feel the money. You will feel the thrill. You will learn then. On demo account, you wouldn't do that. So that's the reason. At least 4 months, you must test your trading plan. Next question is, has your test results given you positive expectations of your trading plan? How is it? Have you got 60% efficiency or 70%? I mean 6 out of 10 open position were winning position or 7 out of 10 or more were winning or not? Have you tested it? Did it work? That's very important. You must get positive answer on that question. Next question. Do you strictly follow the rules of your trading plan without any deviation or exceptions? Have you done it during the game that you just change your mind and say, alright, I was going to close over there, but it seems to me it's something wrong here, let's close it right now. Have you done it? Probably many times. I did it hundreds of times, and you probably did the same. If you got the right trading plan and you tested it, just keep to the rules you've written down. Just keep to the rules. Don't change it during the game. It's the most important thing. Just trade your plan as it is. Don't make yourself Trevor the Clever. Just do it. So do you modify the rules when you've got an open position? Never do that. And the next one. Is your trading plan compatible with your personality? Are you calm and balanced, patient and phlegmatic? Or maybe impulsive, dumb nervous with unthreatened ADHD from childhood? It's very, very important. Don't try to be a day trader if you are a romantic and well-balanced soul. And don't trade, from the other hand, on weekly time frame if you are an energetic and vigorous personality. Your trading plan must fit you. Otherwise, you will make too many mistakes and will not fulfill your trading plan. In order to have an edge over the market, you must plan your trade, then you must trade your plan. I repeat, plan your trade and trade your plan. That's it, nothing else. It's so simple. Trading is simple and as a result is often boring. Believe me, when you sort it all out, make a good plan, test it and stick to it. After a few months of such trading, you will close every position without a hint of emotion. And this is boring, although it's very profitable. If you want to be a winner in this bloody cruel game known as the Forex market, you must have your plan made and tested. And then you must be a ruthless executioner, as I told you in my previous video, without a hint of emotion on your path to successful trading. Do yourself an internal audit. Answer the above questions yourself. And finally, ask yourself if you have enough determination, perseverance, and willingness to work to become a successful trader. Because trading, unfortunately, requires a lot of work, primary work on yourself and your weaknesses. If you succeed, you will become an effective trader. For myself, it took me about 10 years, but it was worth it. If you apply to work on yourself, next year the whole Forex world will belong to you, my friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.